Hello aspirant, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the state of Tripura. We are going to cover extensively its physical characteristics of Tripura, natural vegetation, regional festival, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuary. The state Tripura that is located in the northeast India, bordered with Bangladesh on three sides and Assam and Mizoram to the east, mostly the hilly terrain with a forested valley and plains, one of the seven sister of states. It is headquartered Agartala. It has 8 districts. It is formed on 21st January 1972, that is became a full-fledged state of January 21, 1972, was a union territory before that, historically ruled by the Tripuri Kingdom and until integration into the Indian state 1949. The main language is Bengali, Kok Borak, that is official language of Tripura. Several other tribal languages are also spoken in this area. The population is around approximately 4 million in the year of 2023 estimate. Ethnic mix of Bengali speaking people, indigenous tribe like Tripuri, Rayong, Chakma and also Halam present in this area. It is a unicameral legislature. It is known for the Northeast India's largest IT hub. Key points about Tripura, mainly the physical characteristics, that is land of high hills, hillocks and also interspersed with river valleys. It has a natural vegetation, that is a tropical moist deciduous. The major rivers flows into the Tripura, that is Longai from Jampui Hill, Juri from Jampui Hill, Dio from Jampui Hill, Manu from Sakan Range, Dalai from Longtarai Range, Khowai from Longtarai Range. These are the major rivers which flows to the Tripura region. The important art form is the music, that is Jaduni, Jadko Lija, Rasikagra, Vaing Kilimani, Chamri Tunmani, Hamjuk, Rohamani, Kuchungha Sikam, Mamita, Garia Ruinani, Langoi Chokmani, Hong, Hach Kamani. These are the major art forms present in the Tripura. The dance forms, that is a Garia dance, Ozagiri dance, Lebong Bumani dance, Bizu dance, High Hawk dance, Wangara dance, Shirao dance, Valam festival dance. These are the major important art forms in the Tripura region. The major industries, that is mainly weaving industries, basketry, wood, carpentry, pottery, chemical industries are the major important industries. That is mainly agrarian society. So handicrafts, water products and also natural gas that also contribute, growing the emphasis of the connectivity of trade with Bangladesh. So it has largely limestone minerals, glass strands, fire clay, plastic clay, natural gas, shale gas, quartz, silica sand. These are the major important minerals which is present in this region. Main cultivation, that is rice, coconut, sugarcane, potato, mango, tea are the major important agricultural products. Orange and pineapple are horticultural products which are cultivated in this Tripura region. The geographical indicator, mainly the Tripura Queen pineapple is famous in this area. The key points about the Tripura: the state bird of the Tripura is green imperial pigeon. The state animal is a fire ace langur. The state tree is agar. The state flower is nageshwar. The state bird is a green imperial pigeon. The state animal is a fire ace langur. The state tree is agar. The state flower is nageshwar. The major important Ramsar site is Rudra Sahar Lake. The major important biodiversity hotspot is Indo-Burma hotspot. The major important national park is Bison, that is Rajbari National Park, that is Cowded Leopard National Park. The major wildlife sanctuary is the Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary, Sepa Hijala Wildlife Sanctuary, Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. It has rich tribal tradition, folk music and also major festival like Garya Puja, Durga Puja, Khar Puja and also Karachi Puja is a famous festivals. So it has the flora and fauna, that is a Sappa Jila Wildlife Sanctuary, there is a dense forest and wildlife sanctuaries. The important Ujiyanta place is an important tourist place, Royal Palace of Agatala. The Neel Mahal, that is a water palace on the Rudrasagar Lake. Unakoti, that is a rock carvings from the scriptures. Jampuri Hills, that is a scenic hill station with orange orchards. So these are the major important Tripura's tribal cultures. Thank you so much.